Hey everybody, Josh Ramirez here with Berkshire Hathaway in Santa Barbara and Montecito. We're at 2827 Palomino Ridge. It's a beautiful Spanish style property that just hit the market. It's in the foothills of Santa Barbara and just beautifully tasteful, warm property. We've got these double doors here. Beautiful finish and this gorgeous view as you enter. So you're going to see this beautiful arched iron French doors. You've got this beautiful, stunning living space. Let's go out here. I think the first thing that people want to do is just go outside and take in the view just because it's a little unique. It's unique in the sense that you've got these beautiful hills all just connecting together, creating this beautiful V frame. And then you've got all ocean views out there. It's a 4.6 acre property with 170 pomegranate trees. So the property is called Casa Rosso Granada. So Rosso is the Italian word for red. Granada is the Spanish word for pomegranates. So 170 pomegranates dotted throughout the 4.6 acre knoll. What's beautiful is that we have the food bank come in every year. They harvest everything and they take everything and they donate it to needy families. So it's a beautiful property that actually gives back to the community. And it's also a great tax incentive. So just such a fun property that gives back. You've got this beautiful dining outdoor space, the beautiful arched iron French doors. So as you step in, you've got this beautiful face of Spanish styles. They were created by an artisan in Mexico, hand created, beautiful, just attention to detail. You've got these beautiful timber flooring, and if we come out here, you're gonna see the finishes on the wall. It's called a lime wash finish. It's the same finish that they used to build the historic missions up and down the California coast. And you've got this beautiful kitchen. If you're a dog lover, you're gonna love this. This is a little pot filler. Turn this on, and then your dog has fresh water. So it's stunning. Then you've got these beautiful countertops. It's a Nacian Taj Mahal quartz. It's got a leather finish, so if you could feel it, just get a little piece of leather. It feels like this wonderful little leather finish. You've got these details. We didn't want any cords, so you just press it, then you press down, and then it just goes away. Again, the same finish, but the lime wash. Beautiful, stunning tile, handmade. This wonderful pot filler. You've got the open shelving, floating shelves. The owner just harvested honey. So this is honey that's actually from the hive that's just down the hill. So they harvested the honey. All the buyers get one of these, or interested parties rather. You've got your patinaed faucet here, a wide sink. You've got all the pantry here, and then you've got your fridge, double fridge. One of my favorite features is this wonderful coffee bar. As a coffee guy, got 2 kids, a wife, and on the go all the time, so this would be my station here. And you've got the dining area over here. This beautiful chandelier is Venetian glass. It's got this really subtle kind of greeny, sagey olive tone. You've got your olive tree that just sways back and forth just outside these windows here. And we pulled in, my client pulled in the beautiful greeny color outside in. And then you've got this wonderful wet bar here. And you've got this amazing textural wallpaper. He didn't want to break up the rhythm of this wall. Behind here is a hidden bedroom. He's using it as an office, but it is a full bedroom and bath here. The wonderful tile, the details are just so much fun. And then let's go to, there's a total of 3 bedrooms up on the main level. All 4 of the bedrooms are en suite. So they provide ensuite bedrooms, and you've got your lawn wash, really high ceilings. This is one of my favorite bathrooms here. You can see the tile, you've got your arch, you've got this beautiful window that allows this beautiful ventilation. You've got all the brass details and fixtures, and it's just such a fun property. It's all in sync. It's all got this Spanish tone, Spanish tile. You've got this incredible bedroom, these beautiful canyon ocean views, and let's see, you've got all this light fixtures. So through here, that's the three-car garage. Through here is a powder room. I won't go in there. But have a look at these beautiful, incredible, unique light fixtures. That is porcupine quills. None of them died in the process. They all died of natural causes. We're now gonna go to the primary bedroom. So here we go, just a couple steps. King size bed. Look at that beautiful light fixture. Those are leather. So if you open up the windows, it kind of just starts dancing, which is fun. Again, you've got the canyon ocean on a clear day. That's all ocean view. You also get island views from there. Like this. This is a fun double-faced fireplace. These doors are just so much fun. They were imported from a monastery in Europe. So you open this up and you come into this spa-inspired bathroom. Double vanity, a large soaking tub, really private because we're on a private street and because we're on 4.6 acres, you have a lot of privacy. So you've got this large soaking tub, you've got this fun, kind of rhythmic chandelier. You've got a nice, ample shower and this really large walk-in closet, all built-ins. A couple steps up, and you get more space. Now, one feature that's really fun is if I press on this little door, it is a laundry chute. So I just throw in my dirty socks, and it's that easy. I don't have to leave. And the laundry is dirty laundry is just through there. And this side, you have your toilet, closet, again, double vanity, custom built, cabinets, and just attention to detail. Walk out, you get your canyon, ocean views. So again, this is the primary. We've seen 3 bedrooms. One of them is again being used as an office, but it is a legal 3-bedroom. But just the scale of this room, the really vaulted ceiling, the coved hallway. You get a really fun fireplace. Really simple, just because it carries on the lime wash finish from floor to ceiling. Now we're going to go downstairs, and we have a TV media room. We have an additional 4th bedroom. One of my favorite rooms is the wellness gym. Down here you've got all of this custom lighting. You've got your wonderful media TV space, and then just this wall of doors that open up to the view. So we do have air conditioning on the property, but what's really fun about this one is because you've got the ocean there, you get this beautiful offshore breeze, and it's just so perfect. So you actually don't need air conditioning on all the time because you get this natural flow of the breeze from that offshore. These are really fun light fixtures. So all the fixtures are really fun. These my client found from a theater in Nashville. So one of a kind, I believe they're from the 40s, if I'm not mistaken. And we get this is the 4th bedroom. So for guests, for a teenager, adult, child, really great bedroom because you've got a door there. So it's separate entrance if they need to come and go. They have some level of autonomy. Then you get this wonderful stackable door, and you get your beautiful ocean view. Then through here, you've got your closet, it's a walk-in, and then you've got your bathroom here. So really fun. All the tile, is really unique to every single bathroom in the property, which is fun. And so there's a lot of windows, so the natural lighting that comes in here is so much fun. Because there's so many windows, because we're in the foothills, you get a lot of bright natural lighting in the property. You just got doors that literally open up. And I like that the median, the TV is separate from upstairs. It doesn't break up the style and the rhythm of the upstairs spaces. But then this is one of my favorite rooms. So this is your beautiful wellness gym. We've got these two doors, stackable doors that just open up. I know you can't feel the breeze, but you've got this beautiful breeze. So you're sweating it out, getting all the stress out, getting in your workout, and you just get this beautiful, amazing, I mean, you can see my hair is going kind of crazy. That's your air conditioning. It doesn't get better than that, ladies and gentlemen. Then, let's go over here. So if we turn around, you get a sauna. Amazing. So it's a house that just really invites kind of this sanctuary-like experience, and a house that also gives back. There's honey, a little beehive just down there. And so my client just harvested all of the honey. We're giving out little tiny honey jars to every potential buyer that's interested. So if you're interested, we'll give you some honey, but it's just a really fun property. Hope you enjoyed the tour. If you're looking for a Spanish style property in Santa Barbara, if you're looking for really any style property in Santa Barbara, just comment below and I'll send you some details. There's a lot of movement off market, so let me know. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Cheers, take care.